Now we're going to talk about lesson 2 of unit 3. Our vocabulary are a pair of, clothes shop, When we buy any clothes, we buy it from clothes shop. Open, like open your book. Now we are going to talk about how many. How many when we ask about the number of anything, like the number of shirts. Look at this picture. I want to know how many shirts are there. So I will ask, how many shirts are there? How many shirts are there? I will count and say 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. So the answer will be there are 4 shirts, or there are 4. So how many when we ask about the number of anything? Okay. I also use how many for ask about the color, like how many color are there? How many blue hats are there? Look at this picture. How many blue hats are there? I will count and answer. There are 6 blue hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blue hats. Okay. A pair of, look at here, look at this picture. A pair of glasses. A pair of glasses. I use a pair of when we talk about 2 pieces in one thing. 2 pieces in one thing, like a pair of glasses, a pair of boots, a pair of boots, pairs of glasses, pairs of glasses. These are for plural. Let's read together and make a comparison between singular and plural. When we talk about just one thing, as I said before, I must say singular. Singular. Just one thing, like one dress, like one watch, and one bus. If we have more than one, we must say it called plural, like 2 dresses, 3 watches, 2 buses. I put here es because it ends with s or ch or double s. Okay.